Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to use remind me function on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, I already have a remind me message from remind me bot in Reddit. So how to do it? All you need to do is just simply go to Reddit and here find any post you need to remind you, and here press on comments and simply add comment like this. So it needs to be remind me, and after that you need to add time. For example, 5 hours. You can use 5 days, 5 minutes, and etc. So just simply write it. And once you've done that, just wait, and the remind me bot on Reddit will automatically remind you. Posts. That's all. Thank you. Leave a like and subscribe.